Hi, this is Bill for Sparky Channel. Today I'd like to introduce you to the brand new M12 Milwaukee bandsaw. It's new on the market, it's lightweight, and it's fast. So here's a closer look at the new M12. One of the most amazing things about this is the area right here. See, that's 2.5 inches, maybe 2 9/16. And what you can do with that is you can cut 2-inch conduit. A 2-inch conduit is about 2.5 inches in diameter. So you can cut this with this bandsaw. Isn't that amazing for an M12? Okay, we have a rafter hook right here that folds down very nicely. The guard is adjustable. You just loosen this up and it goes up and down. The bandsaw ships with a 12 to 14 tooth blade, which is a good choice. That's a good multi-purpose blade. And if you get the one with the batteries, it ships with a 4 amp hour XC red lithium battery, so that's very nice. This big lever right here is to loosen up when you want to change the blades. It has an LED light for illumination. It takes 30 and 9/16 inch blades. Here's the back side of the bandsaw right here, and see, it has a nice integrated guard on here, and to get it up you just flip it up and you can change your blade or you can clean it out, whatever you need to do, and then close it up. This allows you to use this with one-handed operation because this protects you from the blade, except right here, of course, you still got to be careful. But that's a very nice unit right there. And see this right here, that's where you can put the reamer. So I just took this off my M18 bandsaw, and what you do, you put this on and you put it on in a counterclockwise manner. You turn it like that and it's on. You take it off in a clockwise manner. So there's how it goes on. It's got 3 prongs right there that fit onto here. So that's a very nice capability. Here's the M18 and here's the M12. You see they have the same situation where you can put the reamer with a counterclockwise motion onto the M18, or you can put it with a counterclockwise motion onto the M12. There, you just take it right off. This doesn't come with these bandsaws. You have to buy that separately. But I think that the M12 has a nicer guard because it's integrated all one unit, and the M18, see, these are 2 separate pieces, and it's a little harder to work with. So I think that's a little advantage for the M12 to have the integrated guard. Here's your size comparison. You see, this is the M18 here, and this is the M12 here. You can see it's quite a bit smaller. It's easier to handle. The feet per minute of the blade is exactly the same. They both have very nice variable speed triggers. See, this one with a 4 amp hour M12 battery is, by my measurement, is 6.8 pounds. And the M18 with a 3 amp hour battery is 9.5 pounds. So there's almost 3 pounds of difference between the two. So here we got some 1/2 inch EMT, and you're working, you just take this, put it right up against the guard, get it nice and straight. Then you turn around. And ream it. Here's some 3/4 inch EMT. And ream it. Here's some 1 inch EMT. And you ream it. Look how nice and smooth that is. Okay, here's some 2-inch non-metallic conduit, and that's about 2.5 inches in diameter. Just goes right in there. Just like that. Take a wrist ream it with your Milwaukee knife or whatever knife you have. There you go. Nice 2-inch conduit, cut nicely and neatly. Now I'll cut a piece of 1 5/8 inch 12 gauge super strut. Okay, here we have some 2-inch rigid. And I'm going to put the saw right on here. Okay, we have a nice clean cut there. It's 2.5 inches in diameter for 2-inch rigid conduit. So it did fit in there. You can cut anything 2.5 by 2.5. In conclusion, I love this little saw. I think it'll increase productivity. I'll put links in my video description for the Milwaukee M12 bandsaw and the Milwaukee M18 bandsaw. I'll put a link for the reamer attachment that you saw in the video. Also, I'll put links for a variety of bandsaw blades for both of these bandsaws. Thanks! I hope this video was helpful.